I'm telling them looking real good.
Welcome back to another epic nature adventure. If you love that intro, go ahead and like the video right now. It really helps me out. Check out this view.
This is John back on another epic nature adventure. We gotta do something special today. We are going to the Jamaica Food Festival, Food and Drink Festival in Hope Gardens. This is March 7th, I think it is. I'm there with the Island Adventure team around here. So them there behind me and things. So we're there at Hope Gardens, so technically it's a nature adventure. I just go around, see the sights, see the food. If we can try some, we'll try some. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's go. He's so big, man. Him can't believe. Watch it. Silk cotton tree, man. Oh. You know, some of my biggest videos is on a cotton tree, you know. People can check it out, you know. But yeah, man.
You can tell by the feather banners, there's plenty of sponsors out here.
We're there at Hope Gardens right now, the famous pretty Hope Gardens sign with a little grass. It looks like a Photoshop image to me a little. I love it. Waiting to get inside of the place to see the Jamaica Food and Festival event. Looking forward to it, but just had to check out the nice little Hope Gardens sign. It looked just nature, adventure, everything could I love, alright? So stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe. We're soon running. Let's go.
So at first glance, the place seems well attended. Entry was $1,500 and they had a nicely designed ticket.
Thank you, darling. Come on, you give the ticket to them. We just
you're scanning? Okay.
Just search. Yeah, the ticket. Okay, see you back.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't get to keep the ticket? Oh, alright. Can I get a shot of it at least? Give me, just get a shot of it, no problem. You love the design, you know, sure. Robbery, alright.
I wonder why they had to take it, but oh well.
Alright. Alright, thank you.
You can hear the steel pod in action.
Hey.
Our first stop is the produce at the Ministry of Agriculture's booth. Let's go. The place giving me a Demby vibe with all the fruits and vegetables. I see pineapple, lettuce, melon, corn, everything. What else? Sweet potato, Irish potato, pumpkin, even a little dasheen on the side. All at reasonable prices, but don't ask me how much. They all have some delicious fritters nearby. It smells so good. With all the steel pan music playing, I decided to check out some Trinidadian cuisine. Big up Trinidad. Alright, so I'm going to try some doubles to eat. Does anyone recognize this song?
Alright, thank you. bacon shark, I'm sure.
Let me see inside it.
Yeah, so I go inside.
Bacon shark. I want to shot this.
Well, yes.
Yo, try to let me know that man. Yo.
Yeah, man, so you don't know.
Man, I do those.
What?
Me and one video said Beanie Man said would I never eat doubles man, so that's why I'm gonna check it.
Alright.
Because I that you recommend, so I just forget why not.
After that.
But I basically roti and curry goat.
You man, just tell
Nice.
I like it.
That one's nice.
I'm good to know, recommend it.
That one.
Wow, what a performance! No man ever clap him again, man, please. Mister, when I see the young man come to the front, I'm like, on the market, it's there, of course.
Alright, now if we try the legend beer.
The entire beach chicken. The Jamaica Tourist Board, Pepsi, Sea Peach.
Now, this is a new legend beer. Tastes really, really good. You guys can check it out. Free product promotion.
Honey
3%.
Digicel.
How it is? You good? Yeah. No man, I see pigs by for your face, but no, you good man.
It's good. It turned out it was just on road.
It's shrimp?
Yeah.
For 8%?
Your purpose is
Eh?
yes, in my brain side.
Okay, alright. I wonder which company make it. Are you on a restaurant? Eh, like Dragon. Oh, alright. So
Coffee, anyone?
good day, man. I like it. I have a couple of them on my yard too, you know. Yeah, man. Popular your friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But the booth look nice, man, and I spend some money on it though, man. How somebody can win one of them here? Boy. Mini crackers. Sweet tea, I tried that already. Never yet tried the ginger tea yet. Man, everything there, man.
Only the new products.
How much are the
$5.
Really?
It seems like it's all about the coffee here at the Food and Drink Festival. Check out this coffee mascot, certified by Jackra.
You can't touch it, right?
This nice lady gave me a lovely walkthrough of how the coffee is grinded. They even have the 100-year-old traditional coffee grinder, which looks like way more work. Walk up on Juliet Holness, the Speaker of the House, and the Prime Minister's wife. Don't forget that. First politician featured on the channel.
Actually, you're used to it today. Now, you're not blown away like me, man. You're like, oh, it's a regular Saturday. That's what you're sounding, you know. It looks nice, man. Keep up the good work, man. I don't want to go too close and mess with anything.
We're getting to it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
This is the last batch. They've already killed me.
Nice. You get special training to do anything like this?
Burns.
Oh.
You have to be hands on.
Oh, wow.
Nobody can teach you this. Experience teaches this.
Okay. Really nice, man. You still got another long wait, man. Come here, leaving at 20.
Sorry. I don't even drink coffee. Yeah.
How we tree name? French Pinot tree. Can't go wrong this one. That's so nice though, man. Watch here. You can see some seedlings here. Yeah, how much is it?
Just take a sip, my darling.
Alright, thank you. Coffee pint is first time. Watch here. Coffee pint. Yeah. Perfect. Tastes extremely good, man. Coffee and pine. Coffee and pine, it sounds like it shouldn't mix. Like imagine you put a pineapple in it and thing. But a coffee just won't work, but it tastes really good. It's buy this one. Did I buy it? Okay. It's deceptive, so like you're not gonna really know it's a coffee. Because the two of them mix together, yeah. So kind of weakness and like if coffee too strong. Never tried it. Yeah, man, try it quick, man. Yeah, man, I heard up the adventure. Yeah, man, try it, man. So pine, ginger, coffee. Boy, everything them having in that, man. But it blend together perfectly, man. Nothing overpower, nothing. Yeah, man. No, you're gonna pine. Oh, you're gonna make it yourself. Oh, it's nice, man.
If you don't make this on the yard, it's wrong, brother.
Ginger, the pine and the coffee. No overpower, nothing. Everything that's blending nicely.
Perfect. Yeah, I'll go back for more too, man. Yeah, man. Go on away, go back for more, man. Say, go man. Nice, man, go back for more, man. In fact, I don't know if they give me the second time, you know. I don't know if they give me the second time, man.
Yeah, man, with plenty things here, man, at the Jamaica Drink and Food Festival. I wish I could show it all.
Nice, man. Definitely, will do, man. I've never seen anything like this before. You make all of them? Oh, wow. Argan Vino. Can I ask what Vino is? Vino, what's Vino?
Vino is wine.
Wine, oh. Okay, so it's another name for wine or it's a type of wine?
No, French for wine.
Oh, it's French for wine. Oh, that's very fancy. Italian. Oh, that's even better. Nice.
Style when you are.
Yeah, man. It work, man.
Yeah, man.
Ooh, that look cool, man.
Yeah, it's our own food and our family.
Okay, so final thoughts.
Yeah, man. So we had a Jamaica food and drink festival at Hope Gardens. We'll leave at 6 p.m. and we see the line behind me still packed over here. So I had an amazing time. We eat Trini food for the first time. I met the head of CEB. I meet the festival queen. What's her name? Brittany Clark. I meet a bag of different new and interesting people. I tried doubles for the first time, which was nice. It's a good man. It cost me 15 bills to go in, which is a bit pricey. And I still have to buy other things afterwards, like Legend and all the other stuff, man. But I enjoy myself, man, alright? Sorry, so I have to cut so early, but it'll get too late and I have a yard to go. Alright, but until then, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. You think this is a video I should do again? You think this is a good festival for come on? Let me know in the comments below, alright? So next time, peace.
Experience at Hope Garden. Yeah, man, first time experience. It was amazing. Especially the ladies them. I'm telling them looking real good and I really have a good time. Yeah, man, they're polite and nice, you just have to approach them, nicely and say something nice to them, you see? Yeah, man, so this was real good.
Oh, the food?
Really enjoyed. Food was good. Yeah, and I have a shot it was coffee.
You took the black mamba too. Oh yeah, the pineapple coffee.
Yeah, the pineapple coffee was really good. The black mamba, yeah. Yes, good. Yeah.
So they recommend
the bacon shark was good too, It was really nice. So experience was good. But what really top it off is the ladies them still, Yeah, really amazing. Yeah, man.
Man, no come be nature, no come be food, come be ladies.
Ladies,
Apart of nature, that's the apart of nature. Yeah, man, the experience was great. Yeah, experience was great. I've never been here before, but yeah, man, fall short at all. It was well worth it. Yeah, at first it was kind of disappointing because we couldn't get parking, but I realized the reason why, because there is a lot of people here, plenty. I wasn't expecting this, but we had a lot of fun.
That's it for today's adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Nature Adventure family. This is Ajani, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Feel free to check out some of our other videos.
I want to be a part of that video.
Oh, that. Oh, hi. Oh, man.
Check out my channel on YouTube. It's Island Adventure JA. Yes, big up outdoor cooking and Smith World TV. Bless up on yourself, yeah, man.
Yeah, peace.
Active.
Man, big up everybody, man. You know I miss somebody.
Eh?
Come to mommy, daddy, everybody.
No, sir, mommy, big up yourself, mommy.
Big up. Alright. Alright, cool, respect.
Yeah,
Alright, cool, yeah, man.